Welcome! Today we're going to break down one of the most powerful and technologically advanced crypto exchanges of our time, OKX. Traders from more than 180 countries are already using this platform, and it's no surprise. OKX combines convenience, speed, and a complete set of tools for earning with cryptocurrency. In this video, you'll learn how to register and verify your account, how to deposit funds and start trading on spot and futures, how to use copy trading, how to earn passive income through staking, and how to get into new tokens at the earliest stages via Jumpstart. And I'll also show you how to claim a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT when you register using our link with the promo code CP6969. If you're looking for an exchange with a modern interface, low fees, plenty of tools, and a reliable security system, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check the description. All useful links are collected there. Let's get started. OKX is not just a crypto exchange. It's a full ecosystem for working with digital assets. Founded in 2017, it quickly rose to the ranks of global leaders and today brings together millions of traders from more than 180 countries. The company is registered in Hong Kong and operates under international security standards. Regular reserve audits and the proof of reserve system confirm that all assets are fully backed. This approach makes OKX one of the most open and reliable platforms in the industry. OKX offers everything you need for comfortable work with cryptocurrency: spot trading with high liquidity, futures and derivatives with flexible leverage, margin trading, copy trading, earn and staking for passive income, Jumpstart, early access to new tokens, trading bots for strategy automation, NFT marketplace, convenient mobile app, and professional terminal. The exchange is known for its fast and stable engine, user-friendly interface, and secure asset storage. For experienced traders, the OKX Pro Terminal provides advanced charts, deep order book, sophisticated order types, high-speed execution. The system withstands heavy loads even during sharp market moves, making OKX a reliable platform for active and high-frequency trading. In the end, OKX is an exchange that combines innovation, convenience, and security, remaining one of the most versatile platforms in the crypto world. Getting started with the exchange is simple. Follow the link in the description. This is our official partner link with the promo code CP6969, which unlocks bonuses of up to 6,000 USDT. Enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Confirm agreement with the terms and click Create Account. Check your email or SMS. You'll receive a confirmation code. Enter it on the OKX website. Once your account is activated, log into your dashboard and, if you wish, download the OKX mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Before you start trading, make sure to set up your security. It's your shield in the world of crypto. To protect your account, enable two-factor authentication. In your dashboard, go to Profile, Security, Two-factor authentication. Decide which actions require protection: logging in, withdrawing funds, changing settings. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. A QR code will appear on the OKX website. Scan it and enter the 6-digit code. Save the backup key. It will be needed to restore access if you lose your phone. With two-factor authentication enabled, your account is under reliable protection. Without the code, login and withdrawals are impossible. OKX is an international regulated crypto exchange, and to gain full access to its features, you need to verify your identity. After completing KYC, you unlock fiat deposits and withdrawals, higher limits, participation in Jumpstart, access to all earn products, step-by-step KYC process. In your dashboard, open Profile, Verification. Select your country of residence. Choose a document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will automatically match the data. Enter your residential address and submit the application. The review takes from a few minutes to about an hour. Your status will change to verified, and all platform features will become available: fiat deposits and withdrawals, extended limits, staking, participation in Jumpstart, bonus programs. The best platforms and exclusive bonuses are collected for you. Check the description under the video. After registration and completing KYC, it's time to fund your account. OKX offers several convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchangers. All of them are secure and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Method 1. Cryptocurrency. If you already have coins in a wallet or on another exchange, in your dashboard, go to Assets, Deposit. Select the coin, for example, USDT or BTC. Choose the transfer network, TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the deposit address. Send funds from your wallet or another exchange. The golden rule: the sending network must match the deposit network. A mismatch will result in loss of funds. Method 2. P2P trading. A direct way to buy USDT with your local currency. In the top menu, select Buy Crypto, P2P trading. Choose your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer payment to the seller. Click Confirm Payment. After verification, the coins will automatically appear in your balance. Method 3. Online exchangers. If direct fiat methods are unavailable, follow the exchanger link in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin. For example, USDT TRC20. Enter the amount and paste your OKX deposit address. Complete the payment and wait for confirmation. Within a few minutes, the funds will arrive in your account, and you can start trading. You have 3 ways to deposit. Choose the one most convenient for you. Withdrawing funds from OKX. On OKX, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat via P2P or exchanges. The process is very simple and fully mirrors the deposit steps, only in reverse. Trading on OKX. OKX offers 2 key modes: spot trading and futures. The platform's interface is simple and intuitive, making it equally convenient for both beginners and experienced traders. Spot trading. Spot is the classic crypto market, buying and selling coins at the current price, or at a price you set yourself. All trades are executed immediately after the order is activated. Purchased assets instantly appear in your balance. This format is perfect for beginners and for those who prefer holding cryptocurrency without leverage. How to trade on Spot. In the top menu, select Trade, Spot. Find the pair you need, for example BTC USDT. On the right panel, choose the order type, Market. Executed instantly at the current price. Limit. You set the buy or sell price yourself. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click Buy or Sell. Once executed, the asset will immediately appear in your spot balance. In short, spot trading on OKX is a fast and convenient way to work with cryptocurrency, suitable for everyone. Futures are a tool that allows you to profit both from rising and falling markets. Unlike spot, here you trade contracts rather than the coins themselves. This gives you the ability to use leverage, manage margin, and control risks with stop orders. This format is especially valued by experienced traders. The platform supports perpetual and quarterly contracts. The interface remains simple for beginners, yet flexible enough for professionals. The main advantage? Deep liquidity. Trades are executed quickly, with minimal slippage even during high volatility. That's why OKX's futures market is actively used by professionals who value precise entries and stable execution. How to open a futures trade. In the top menu, select Trade, Futures. Find the contract you need, for example, BTC USDT. The terminal will display the chart, order book, and control panel. Set your leverage, from 1 to 100. Beginners are advised to start small, 2 to 5. Choose the direction, long if you expect the price to rise, short if you expect the price to fall. Select the order type, Market, trade at the current price. Limit, trade at your chosen price. Enter the trade amount, set stop loss, and take profit. Click Open Position. In the end, futures on OKX are a powerful tool for those who want to trade actively and use flexible strategies. Margin types on OKX. Cross margin. In this mode, your overall balance is used across all open positions. If one trade goes into loss, the system automatically uses available funds from other positions. Plus, more flexibility. Minus, higher overall risk. This option is often chosen by experienced traders who know how to manage risks. Isolated margin. Here, funds are tied to a specific position. If the trade goes into loss, only the allocated money is used. Plus, risk is limited. Minus, less flexibility. This is the optimal choice for beginners, as it allows precise control over maximum losses. Position management. In the lower panel of the terminal, you'll see active trades, P&L, profit loss, liquidation price, order history. You can close a position fully or partially, adjust stop orders, stop loss, and take profit. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, join our Telegram channel. We explain everything in simple terms, without unnecessary complexity. The link is in the description under the video. Copy trading is a tool that allows you to automatically replicate the trades of professional traders. It's a great choice for those who want to stay in the market, but don't have the time for independent chart analysis or manual position opening. How to connect. In the top menu, select Trade, Copy Trading. A list of traders will appear with key metrics: return on investment, ROI, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Choose a trader and click Follow. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Confirm the connection. From that moment, all trades made by the selected trader will be automatically mirrored in your account. Risk management. OKX gives you the ability to protect your capital by setting maximum trade amount, loss limits, a cap on the number of open positions, auto stop once a set limit is reached. You can stop copying at any time or close any trade manually. Why it works? Professional traders receive a percentage of their followers' profits. This motivates them to trade carefully and aim for consistent results. Copy trading on OKX is a way to enter the market without unnecessary complications, entrusting the strategy to those who already know how to handle volatility. The OKX Web3 wallet is a product that truly sets the exchange apart from its competitors. Unlike most centralized platforms, OKX is building a full Web3 ecosystem, giving users access not only to trading but also to all key areas of DeFi. Full independence. The wallet is completely non-custodial. The keys are stored with you, which means only you control your assets. OKX Web3 wallet works with dozens of blockchains: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Solana, and many more. Wallet capabilities. With Web3 Wallet, you can connect to DeFi protocols, participate in farming and staking, swap tokens via the built-in DEX aggregator, use the multi-chain bridge, work with NFTs, interact with dApps without installing MetaMask or other extensions. OKX is one of the few exchanges that combines classic CX infrastructure with a full Web3 hub in a single application. This approach is especially valuable for users who want to grow in two directions at once. The OKX Web3 Wallet is your universal tool for working with cryptocurrency, from classic trading to full immersion in the world of DeFi and NFTs. OKX offers one of the most advanced sets of trading bots among all crypto exchanges. This tool takes routine off the trader's shoulders and allows strategies to be automated, even when you're not watching the charts. Available bots: Spot Grid Bot, ideal for trading in sideways markets; Futures Grid Bot, for working with contracts; DCA Bot, helps average purchase prices; Recurring Buy Bot, convenient for regular investments; Arbitrage Strategies, for those seeking opportunities in price differences; ready-made templates from top traders, launch proven strategies instantly. Bots are built directly into the platform. No extra software needed. Automatically adapt to market conditions. You can launch your own strategy manually or choose a ready-made one from professionals. Profitability statistics are available for each strategy, making it easy to pick effective options or test your own ideas. Trading bots on OKX are a convenient tool for passive capital management and stable trading without constant market monitoring. They suit both beginners and experienced traders, making trading more flexible and efficient. Earn is the place where your crypto assets start working for you. Even if you don't plan to trade actively, here you can generate steady income in simple and reliable ways. Main features. Staking. Lock your coins and receive rewards. Popular assets available. USDT, BTC, Sol, and more. Flexible staking. Withdraw funds anytime, keeping liquidity. Fixed staking. Assets are locked for a set period, but yield is higher. A great option for long-term holding. Savings. Works like a deposit with daily interest accrual. Funds are available for withdrawal without restrictions. Perfect for those who want income without locking assets. Dual investment. Income is fixed regardless of price movement. Payouts occur in one of two assets. A tool for those seeking higher yields. Jumpstart. A platform for early participation in new token sales. Simply stake an asset, most often OKB or USDT. Token distribution happens automatically. The more you stake, the more you receive. Jumpstart has become popular, as many projects show significant growth after listing. How to start using Earn. In the top menu, select Earn. Go to the section you need. Staking, savings, or another product. Choose the coin and term. Enter the amount. Click subscribe. Rewards are credited automatically, usually daily. You can track income in assets. Earn. Earn on OKX is a simple way to generate passive income from cryptocurrency, even if you don't plan to trade actively. Want to dive deeper? Join our private referral chat. We're always in touch. The link is in the description. Forget the boundaries between web and mobile. The OKX app is a full crypto exchange right on your phone. Registration and account funding, trading and copy trading, earn and passive income, asset management. All functions are gathered in one convenient interface that runs fast and stable. Effortless synchronization. Every action in the app is instantly reflected in the web version. Want to trade from your computer? Go ahead. Need to quickly check your balance from your smartphone? Easy. Everything syncs automatically. Why it's convenient. Instant access to your account 24/7. Fast performance even under heavy load. Full control of your funds anywhere. The OKX app is your universal crypto tool. Always at hand, always ready to work. OKX rightfully ranks among the most reliable crypto exchanges. The secret is simple: strict protection systems and complete transparency. Key security elements: cold storage of assets. Most funds are kept in offline wallets, isolated from the network. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly confirms full backing of user assets. Data encryption. All information is transmitted and stored in encrypted form. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. An extra layer of protection for login, withdrawals, and settings changes. Activity notifications. The system instantly reports all operations, helping you spot suspicious activity in time. International standards. OKX complies with global security standards and uses an architecture that ensures reliable protection of both user accounts and funds. In the end, security on OKX is a comprehensive system that makes working with cryptocurrency as safe and transparent as possible. OKX knows how to motivate. New users receive starting capital, while active participants earn rewards for inviting friends. Bonuses for beginners. Register with the promo code CP6969 and get a chance to claim a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT. The amount depends on your first deposit, trading volume, participation in promotions. This is your quick start in crypto with extra capital. Referral program. In the top menu, open more. Referral program. Copy your unique link, share it with friends. When they register and start trading, you'll receive a percentage of their fees. That way, your network brings you real income. OKX regularly launches limited time bonus campaigns, giveaways, special offers. Check the promotion section on the homepage so you don't miss new opportunities. And if you haven't yet liked and subscribed to the channel, now's the time. All links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are waiting for you under the video. OKX is not just a crypto exchange. It's an ecosystem where technology, security, and convenience come together in one space. Here you get everything: spot and futures for active traders, copy trading for those who want to follow professionals, earn, staking, and jumpstart for passive income and early access to new tokens, proof of reserves and cold storage for full transparency and protection. OKX means speed, reliability, and innovation, making it one of the most advanced platforms in the world. If you're looking for a reliable place to trade and invest, you found it. Click the link, register with promo code CP6969, and start earning with OKX today.